So this is chapter 2, shapes and angles. So let's learn firstly what is an angle. An angle is formed by joining two rays. So what is a ray? A ray is just like this. It should have a starting point but no ending point. No ending point. This is a ray. Now if we combine two rays just like this, we get an angle. So we can define an angle as an angle is formed by two rays. Angle is formed by two rays starting from a common point. This is a common point. So starting from a common point called vertex. So this is ray 1, this is ray 2, this line is called ray 1, this line is called ray 2. So an angle is got by joining two rays, or these two rays are started from a common point called vertex. So this common point is called vertex. Okay. Now let's take two rays. So this is ray 1. This is ray 2. Let's name them. This is QP and this one is ray 2 is QR. If we join these two rays to form an angle, this will be like this, where Q is a common point. So QP QR. Here we made this angle by using these two rays. Here we already learned that this common point Q is called vertex. Okay. So now we are going to name this angle. If we are name this angle, this will be angle PQR or PQR or angle RQP. RQP. Okay, so this is the way how to name an angle. The vertex should be in middle while naming an angle. You can start from any of these 2 points, P or R. If we start from P, the angle will be PQR. Q should be in middle. If we start with R, RQP. So this is the way how to name an angle. Now these are the types of angle. First type is acute angle. Acute angle means it's less than 90 degree. Okay. If the angle is less than 90 degree, then it's called acute angle. If the angle is equal to 90 degree, then it's called right angle. And if the angle is in between 90 degree and 180 degrees, it's called obtuse angle. This 135 is in between 90 and 180, so this is an example of obtuse angle. Now if the angle is equal to 180 degree, then it's called straight angle. Okay, if the angle is equal to 180 degree, then it's called straight angle. Now if the angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, it's called reflex angle. If the angle is in between 180 degree and 360 degree, or if the angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, it's called reflex angle. So here 240, the angle 240 is in between 180 and 360, so it's a reflex angle. Now if the angle is 360 degree, it's called complete angle or full angle. So a full angle or 360 degree means if we consider this as a point, then the angle around this point is called full angle or 360 degree. Now let's learn about closed shape and open shape. In the case of closed shape, if the starting and the ending points are same, then it's a closed shape. For example, if we are drawing this figure, we started to draw from here. Okay, so we ended up with the same point. So here the starting and ending points are same, so this is a closed shape. In all the first 6 types of figures, these are the examples of closed figure, because there is only one point to start and end. Now these are the examples of open shape. These are the examples of open shape. In this figure you can see, if this is the starting point, this will be ending point. Here this will be starting point, this will be ending point. And all the figures, there are 2 separate points to start and end. And also you can see some open areas in these figures. Okay, these are some open areas. So these types of figures are called open shape. Now let's learn about polygon. Okay, in the case of polygon, it should be a closed figure. Another point, it should be made with straight lines. Okay, here you can see this is a polygon because this is a closed figure and also it's made with straight lines. This is not a polygon. Why? Let's look the conditions. Here this is not a polygon. Why? Let's check with the conditions. It should be a closed figure. Yes, this is a closed figure. So the first condition is okay. But in the case of second condition, it should be made with straight lines. So a circle is not made with a straight line. So this is not a polygon. Okay. Now this is a polygon because this is a closed figure and made with 4 straight lines. This is also a polygon. This is closed figure made with straight lines.